Hey y'all, let's make dinner for that man and them kids. We
Ooh, y'all, depression been kicking my butt this week. I don't have the man, but I got the kids, so let's try this recipe out. I got all my ingredients laid out, and I got my chicken all seasoned up. I do use the tenders because my kids kind of like chicken nugget sized chicken, using cream of chicken, chicken gravy, and yes, pre-minced garlic. I'm gonna combine all that in the crock pot. She did it in layers, so I did that as well. I also didn't use all the chicken gravy. I'm gonna save that for some of the green beans too. And here I am adding some ground pepper and some parsley. I haven't leveled up yet to use the fresh stuff. And I've got my rice here. I put a little bit of salt in there, no pepper, and some butter. And then right here, I'm making smothered green beans for the first time. I don't know why I've never tried this before, but I'm browning my onions and some bacon. I didn't do as much as her, because again, it's just for me and my two kids. So I added a little bit of flour, and I'm getting ready to add some chicken stock to make like a little roux. I didn't show this for some reason, but I also added a little bit of that chicken gravy that was left over from the packet to kind of give it a little bit more of a smothered taste. So I'm getting all the little crunchy burnt bits at the bottom, added my green beans, some salt and pepper. I think I put some other seasonings, probably like onion powder or something in there, and a little bit of chicken stock. And I'm getting that all mixed in. She looking good, she looking good. Getting them mixed up. And here she is. Yes, we do use paper plates in this house. I ain't got time to be doing dishes all day. This was a hit. Y'all try it.